Hello everyone and welcome to today's video with Australia Towbars and Performance. In front of me we have an Audi Q7. Gentleman came in to get a premium German engineered Westfalia towbar installed. Now we've seen a few of these Westfalia towbars here at Australia Towbars and Performance, but this one's a little bit different. You notice that the detachable hitch is at a horizontal angle, not the traditional gooseneck. This is called an A40F hitch. Right in front of me, this is your A40V, traditional gooseneck. Both do the same thing, both have similar towing capacities, just a slightly different design, detachable and lockable the same way. These tow bars here we have in stock and are currently on sale. Feel free to give us a call or inquire on Facebook and we can help you out. Thanks for watching and you guys have a great day.